Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the speaker volume on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So the easiest way to adjust the speaker volume is using the volume buttons on the top edge of your device. Here we have the volume up button, and here we have the volume down key. The other way to do this is by opening the control center by tapping right here and then adjusting this bottom slider to either increase or decrease your sound volume. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.